The Airport Adventure. Chapter 1. The Bag Mix-Up. Emma is going to Spain for her holiday. She is late and she runs to the airport with her passport, ticket, and purse. Her bag is full of many things: sunglasses, a toothbrush, a sweater, and a big bottle of shampoo. When she gets to security, the line is long. Finally, it is her turn. The security guard looks at her and asks, "Is this your bag?" "Yes, it is," Emma says. "Please open it," the guard says. Emma tries to open her bag, but the zipper is stuck. After some time, she opens it. The guard pulls out the shampoo. "This is the problem," the guard says. He holds the big bottle. "Oh no," Emma says. "That's my shampoo. It is for my hair." The guard smiles and says, "Sorry, it is too big. You cannot take it on the plane." Emma looks sad. "But my hair will look crazy without it." The guard laughs. "You can buy new shampoo after security." Emma smiles and says, "Okay, but if my hair looks bad, it's not my fault." She picks up her bag and walks away, ready for the next adventure. Chapter 2. The Wrong Bag. After Emma passes security, she is happy. But now she needs to hurry to the gate. She runs through the airport and finally arrives. She sees many people waiting for the same flight. Emma finds a seat and puts her bag down. She looks around and sees a man with a bag that looks just like hers. The bag is black and has the same zipper. "Wait a minute," Emma thinks. "Is that my bag?" She stands up and walks over to the man. "Excuse me," Emma says. "Is that my bag?" The man looks confused. "No, this is my friend's bag," he says. Emma points to the tag on the bag. "Look, my name is on it. It's mine." The man checks the tag and says, "Oh, I'm sorry. You're right, it's your bag." Emma laughs. "No problem. It happens." They switch bags and Emma sits down again. She holds her black bag tight. This time she says, "I will not lose my bag again." She is ready to board the plane, but there is still more adventure to come. Chapter 3. The Final Surprise. Emma finally hears the announcement. Flight to Spain, now boarding. She is excited and ready for her holiday. She grabs her black bag and walks to the gate. As she shows her ticket and passport to the gate agent, she feels very proud. Nothing else can go wrong now, she thinks. But as Emma walks onto the plane, she sees something strange. A woman sitting near the door is looking at a black bag. Emma stops. "Wait a minute," she thinks. "That bag looks like mine too." She quickly checks her own bag and realizes something important. She opens it and gasps. Inside is not her camera, toothbrush, or sunglasses. Instead, there are keys, a magazine, and a men's watch. "Oh no," Emma says out loud. "This is not my bag." She rushes back to the gate, where the man from before is there, holding her real bag. "You again?" the man says, laughing. "Looks like we mixed up our bags again." Emma laughs too. "I can't believe it, but at least I have my bag now." They switch bags, one last time, and Emma goes back to the plane. She sits down, holding her real bag tight. "This time for real," she whispers to herself. "No more mistakes." As the plane takes off, Emma smiles, thinking about her funny day at the airport. She knows this holiday is going to be an adventure from start to finish.